Hey guys, welcome back, and in today's video we will be installing a W205 C300 wing, eBay wing, and eBay lip. So in these boxes I have the wing, I have the lip, so we're going to just double check to see what kind of quality you get for the least expensive wing and least expensive lip that you can get for a C300. And if you look, the back end, it does look kind of bare, so I decided to get a little wing for it. And then this is the one with the base model front bumper. The easiest way to tell is this portion right here. If it matches with the headlight, if you look, they both have that same angle. This is the base. So on the sport bumper, this portion right here will actually be perpendicular to the this angle of the bumper here, if that makes sense. So, but yeah, they look similar, but that's the biggest key feature that you'll kind of distinguish between the two different bumpers. All right, so let's open this up here. And I did already open it just to make sure it was the right one. And I always usually open these up when I receive them to make sure everything was intact and not damaged. Then I'll get a closer look for you guys. So this is the pre-painted, because I didn't really plan on painting this one. Just so you guys can see here, this is pre-painted black. And the paint doesn't look too bad. Obviously you can see they painted directly on the ABS plastic because it's not like super smooth like you see orange peel. Again, that's to be expected. This wing after tax was about 80 bucks shipped, so it was like 72 73 bucks. But overall, it doesn't feel too light or too flimsy for what it is. So if you look, it still holds its shape just by holding it right in the middle. So let's go ahead and place it on the car. That's kind of the biggest determining factor, is how well it sits, because if it doesn't sit very well on here, it's gonna have a heck of a time trying to 3M tape it. So make sure these are even, and that's actually not bad. It does lift just a hair, but I don't think that's anything where the 3M tape won't be able to hold it down. And that actually looks really nice. It does have that little duckbill end, that's what I wanted. So it has a little bit more than just they had ones where it was just even all across. I like that little flare look. You can see it from the side here. But yeah, actually that doesn't fit too bad. If you look, that barely moves. I do need to place it on this side so you could, yeah. I'm pretty sure with 3M tape this isn't gonna really go anywhere. So it does, the fit is actually not bad at all. So I'm gonna wipe down the trunk and use some isopropyl alcohol, make sure it's super clean, and then I'll put the 3M tape on there. Let's see. Let's do this. I'm gonna clip that for now. There we go. I think that's how it's supposed to sit. Alright, so I just screwed these two in. If you look, the little lip has these notches for it to stop onto the bumper, so it's really nice. Another thing I really like is it actually has little dimples of where you're supposed to put your screws, so there's no guesswork. You have them all underneath here. So I wanted to show you guys that before I actually finish mounting the rest of this. But I'm gonna do that really quick, and then I'll show you the finished product. I already got these two, so that way these are matching where they're supposed to be. And on the sides, I made sure they were evenly spaced. Everything is all done, installed. I got everything, all the bolts secured. One thing I want you to make sure is when you do this, make sure that this isn't like sticking out when you first mock everything up. That's my biggest pet peeve, is when this little lip thing, or this little winglet on lips are like bowed outwards. It just looks super tacky, almost cheap looking. And I made sure that they're even on both sides too. Alright, so here it is in the sunlight. It's probably kind of hard to see just because it's so bright, and the contrast with the white kind of just darkens everything on the lip. But so if you look, it does accent the bumper quite a bit. It just really follows that same exact shape and body line. So I'm not 100% upset with it, but I wish, like I said, it just kind of went straight and made it even in the front. It does add a little more to this, and if you look, it doesn't hang too low from the rocker panels, the stock rocker panels. But another plane. I don't know why we have to be underneath flight paths. It's pretty insane. Yeah, I think it looks pretty good. Let me know what you guys think in the comments. I'll try to get some more video here. Try to get some more footage here when it's not so sunny and the sun comes down a little bit. But with the wing on, it does kind of, it looks nice. Let me see if I can get a full shot with the wing and the wheels. Yeah, it looks good. So it's been about several weeks since the lip and wing install. So it's definitely held up. It looks really nice. If you notice, I did add a little bit to it. Right here, there is a chrome strip. So my wife was complaining that she liked the chrome that was underneath the original bumper. And obviously with this lip, it covers it up. So I went online, got the chrome strip, added that, and I think that adds a little bit extra to it. If you look, I tucked it underneath here so it's nice and clean too, because it's a 3-piece lip. But yeah, I think that adds a little bit to the bumper and doesn't make it look super cheap. And for the wing, same thing, paint's held up. Been pretty sunny here the last few weeks, and doesn't look like it's fading or discoloring or changing the finish. Is still nice and glossy. The only thing I would recommend is not using the tape that they have, like the double-sided tape. I noticed on this side it is lifting a little bit, and that's just because they had that clear super clear tape that's kind of cheap. But if I did use the normal 3M double-sided, this wouldn't have lifted. I think the next thing would be maybe some side skirts or even like a roof wing. But yeah, that can wait because I have way too many projects to do. So, alright, well, hopefully that helps you guys decide if you are interested in the cheap eBay lip and wing. In my book, I would say gets 2 thumbs up for both the lip and the wing. Again, you can add your extra touches like I did on here. But if you like it how it is, I think it looks good as is too. So, as always, thank you guys for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Peace.